Welcome to RouteAura. Let's fly. Here's a sneak peek at our brand new travel channel. Join us as we spin the globe and discover some of the world's most amazing places. From the Eiffel Tower to the Great Wall of China, from the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene beauty of Iceland's Blue Lagoon, we're taking you on a visual journey that will leave you in awe. Watch as a lone airplane flies across the vast expanse of the ocean, venturing into the unknown. Get ready for takeoff. Feel the wind beneath your wings as we soar through the clouds. Experience the thrill of adventure as we explore uncharted territories. But our journey doesn't end there. We'll take you on a thrilling ride through lush green mountains, sparkling waterfalls, and vibrant cityscapes. Along the way, we'll indulge in local delicacies, haggling at the market, and immersing ourselves in the vibrant culture. Join us on our mission to explore, discover, and live. Subscribe now, your passport to the world.